For latest videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our videos. Cluster figs, also called cluster fig, cluster tree, cluster fig tree, goolar fig, country fig, and redwood fig. The serving size of 100 grams covers 81.9 grams of water, 1.3 grams of protein, 0.6 grams of total fat, 0.6 grams of ash, 0.21 grams of nitrogen, and no carbohydrate. It covers 30.77% of vitamin B2, 16.25% of iron, 11.11% of copper, 10.81% of potassium, 8.335% of magnesium, 7.20% of calcium, and 6.71% of phosphorus. Cluster fig is loaded with various medicinal properties which is beneficial for the health. Cluster figs have many benefits for health, so let's take a closer look at some of them in detail. Number 1. Prevent anemia. Iron helps to cure anemia, which is experienced by the women during menstruation or pregnancy. The lost red blood cells should be replaced with new red blood cells, for which one should consume adequate amount of iron, which is essential for the women in that point. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iron in the human body. About millions of people in the world are suffering from anemia. It has become a common problem. Number 2. Mental performance. The adequate amount of iron helps the one to provide energy and focus concentration, which helps to enhance the mental and cognitive performance. It helps to increase the blood flow to the brain due to the activity of iron's red blood cell. Number 3. Sleeping disorders. Iron helps to treat insomnia and enhance the sleeping quality and habits by regulating the circadian rhythms. Due to the proper account of red blood cells, it leads to the fluctuation in blood pressure, which could be a cause for awakening at night. Number 4. Produces energy. Copper is required for the adenosine triphosphate synthesis, which is a storehouse of energy in the human body. The intracellular production of energy is affected by the cytochrome C oxidase and cuproenzyme. It performs as a catalyst which helps to reduce the molecular oxygen to water. During those enzymes produce the electrical gradient, which is used by mitochondria in order to synthesize the important energy storing molecule called ATP. The adequate amount of copper in the body assists in the proper functions and energy without having the feel of tired or lethargic. Number 5. Enhances immunity. Copper is essential for the healing process and promotes healing of wounds. It builds the immunity and acts as an aid for anemia, which permits the body to heal and defend faster. It is essential for the enzymatic processes that helps in the endothelial growth or the tissue healing process. Number 6. Prevent stroke. Potassium plays a vital role in maintaining the brain functions. The high amount of potassium allows the body to transport the oxygen to the brain by enhancing the neural activities and raising the cognitive functions. It helps to prevent the stroke in the brain. It performs as a vasodilator that relaxes the blood vessels. It assists in the free flow of blood and prevents the chances of break-off and clot that causes strokes. Number 7. Muscle problems. It assists in the regular contraction of muscles. The adequate levels of potassium are essential for the relaxation and contraction of muscles. The potassium ions are located in the muscle cells in the human body. It maintains the nerve and muscle function and reflexes fast as it promotes the neural connectivity of brain and muscles. Number 8. Heart ailments. Magnesium prevents the irregular heartbeats and reduces the damage of heart due to muscle stress. It soothes the nerves, digestive processes which help to prevent the problems such as cramps, vomiting, abdominal pain, indigestion, flatulence, and constipation. The deficiency of magnesium could result to the harmful results.